Are you wondering how you can set up your TickTalk 4 so that it's ready for its unboxing? Well, today we're going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to set up your TickTalk 4 so that it's ready for its opening moment. First, you'll want to make sure that you charge your TickTalk 4 prior to setting it up. As it charges, we'll get your cellular plan set up. If you're a US customer, you will receive a TickTalk Wireless SIM card on either AT&T or T-Mobile's network. To activate your SIM, please visit www.ticktalkwireless.com or scan the QR code in your TickTalk 4 box. First, you'll want to sign up with your name and email address, agree to the terms of service, and click Continue. You'll then receive a 6-digit verification code to your email. Once you receive this, enter this code and select Verify. Next, we'll want to add a plan and scan your ICC ID barcode, which can be found on the back of your SIM card. If you selected an AT&T SIM, you'll be prompted to enter your TickTalk Watch IMEI number, which can be found on the barcode on your black TickTalk 4 box. Once you've entered your IMEI number, you can select your plan to continue. On the next page, we're going to go ahead and enter in our home and billing address. Next, you'll want to select your payment method. Enter your payment information and continue. You'll then be greeted with a checkout page to confirm the details of your plan. Review and check the terms of service and privacy policy box, and then select checkout. Once the SIM service is activated, you should receive an email with your phone number, as well as a receipt. It will take up to 1 hour to fully activate your SIM, but usually activates within a few minutes. You can also check the My Plan section of your TickTalkWireless.com account to view the details of your plan and your phone number. After your SIM and plan are activated, we will install our SIM card. If your TickTalk 4 is on, you will need to turn it off. Using the included SIM lid opener found in the small accessories box with your TickTalk, open the back SIM lid and insert your activated SIM card. Make sure you completely close the back lid when putting it back on. Press and hold the silver button to turn your TickTalk 4 back on. Wait a few seconds and swipe up on the screen to go to the status center to show your carrier's name, signal bars, and connection symbol. The connection symbol will illuminate white once your TickTalk connects to your network. Be sure to connect your home Wi-Fi for the most stable connection while indoors. Next, you'll need to download the TickTalk Parental Control app on your smartphone from either the Apple or Google Play Store, so you'll be able to communicate with your TickTalk Watch. Create an app account with either your phone number or email. Once you've logged in, you can pair your TickTalk 4 to your app account. Click on the person icon in the top left corner and select Add another TickTalk. We will choose TickTalk 4 as our product and follow the instructions to complete your pairing. Go into your watch settings and select Pair, and a QR code will populate, which you can scan in your TickTalk app to complete the pairing and enter your child's information. Now that you've successfully paired your TickTalk 4, you can use all of our features such as smart location tracking, secure messaging, video calling, 20+ parental controls, and more. For more information on setting up contacts for voice calling, enabling your firewall to block calls from unknown numbers, approving other app users for messaging and video calling, be sure to watch our individual setup videos at the link in the description. So that wraps up today's video. If you like this video, hit that like button and be sure to follow us on social media at MyTickTalk or visit our website www.myticktalk.com. For any questions, feel free to reach out to our dedicated support team Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. PST. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you all in the next video.